Hello, Team Numis Canada subscribers, and welcome to everyone who is watching that is a coin collector, young or old, and anyone else that be watching. Welcome to Numis Canada with Bruce, and today we have yet another mail call from the Royal Canadian Mint, and we'll get into that right after this. Welcome back. We have two packages here today, and of course we'll start off with the one that requires the knife, and we'll go here, the obligatory paperwork and some marketing materials. And an empty box. And this is about the Masters Club that the Mint has. Some of you may have that and some of you may not. This one is a card, but it has this interesting sleeve for it. And this is Moments to Hold, 40th anniversary of the National Anthem Act. And of course, it has the music here to O Canada. I don't want to sing it because I'll offend somebody who speaks French if I sing it in English, and offend somebody who speaks English if I sing it in French. And O Canada was first performed on June 24th, 1880, 100 years ago, almost to the day before it became our national anthem. And interesting. And there were 100,000 coins minted worldwide, and it's $9.99 fine silver, $5 face value, and very cool. So I think this is a holder for 2020 O Canada coins, because I believe it will hold more than one. And this one that I opened in the last video was is 2019. But you see, you can insert all of the years for the moments to hold in this folder. How cool is that? That's 2019, so it won't fit. Or it's not 2020, so it won't go in this particular holder. I'll have to see if they have these holders for other years as well. So actually, I'll actually leave these out to show you the mail call towards the end. And this one is in an envelope, and see if I can open it this way. Okay. And of course, obligatory paperwork, again with the Masters Club advertisement. And second one. And you can guess what that's for. This will go into one of the future giveaways. As a matter of fact, this is a pop-up giveaway. And later in the video, you will see a word on the screen appear. And in your comment, you must include that word in this comment for this video to win this silver Canada coin. So, there you go. In addition to the original 2 packages that we have, another 2 came in, and here they are. I am concerned that these might be the same things, but we won't know until we open them. So let me set this aside for now, and we'll get into these 2 packages. Okay, the obligatory paperwork. And we have our beloved maple. And of course, here's the coin for this. This is the 25th anniversary of Canada's arboreal emblem, the maple leaf. Because prior to that, it was the Union Jack. A lot of newer Canadians or younger Canadians won't know that the Union Jack was once flown as the official flag of Canada. And there we go. And this is 99.99 pure silver, and 100,000 coins were minted. And it is like the Canada coin, it is also $5. So there we go. Our beloved maple. And of course, empty package. So that can go away. And on to the second package. More obligatory paperwork. And, well, what do you know? 2 for 2 today, so you got to see 2 new coins in duplicate. You're not seeing double, because I'm always thinking of you for future giveaways. And don't forget that in this video, there was the pop-up giveaway for this coin. So, and this is what we covered in today's video. There we go. 2 beautiful silver coins as part of the 25th anniversary of the maple leaf and the 40th anniversary of the national anthem. That's it for today. Thank you very much, and we hope to see you again soon.
And please remember to like, share, and subscribe and keep on collecting.